Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our Infinity classes, second PUC Mathematics annual exam preparation. In this video, we are going to prove the most expected and important question on properties of definite integral. It is a very most expected property and important question on the properties of definite integrals. This will be asked in the part E, question number 46. ये part E में question number 46 को जो प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ डेफिनेट इंटीग्रल का एक प्रॉपर्टी प्रूफ एंड प्रॉब्लम 6 मार्क्स के लिए पूछा जाता है फॉर 6 मार्क्स. सो ये ऑलरेडी जो प्रॉपर्टी है आपके स्क्रीन पर, तो ऑलरेडी 3 मरतबा यानी कि 3 बार 3 टाइम्स जून 2014, जून 2014, 2015, जुलाई 2017 को पूछा गया हुआ है ये प्रॉपर्टी और ये प्रॉब्लम फॉर 6 मार्क्स के लिए, 6 मार्क्स के लिए पूछा गया. और प्रिपरेटरी एग्जाम में भी परसों की जो प्रिपरेटरी एग्जाम थी बीजापुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट के, वहाँ पर भी ये 6 मार्क्स को प्रॉपर्टी पूछा है. क्या किस तरह से पूछता है क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में? प्रूव दैट इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ a टू b f of x dx इज इक्वल टू a टू b f of a प्लस b माइनस x dx एंड हेंस इवेल्युएट बोल के कौन सा भी एक प्रॉब्लम आपको पूछता है यहाँ पर. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 5/6 टू 5/3 dx डिवाइड बाय 1 प्लस रूट tan x and 5/6 to 5/3 divided by dx divided by 1 plus root cot x dx. सो ये जो है हमारा आज का मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो है. सो पूरा कंप्लीट वीडियो को वॉच करो. 6 मार्क्स आपके जरूरी है और आप फिक्स 6 मार्क्स लेंगे एग्जाम में. तो चलिए पहले इसको प्रूफ करते हैं. प्रूव दैट integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. तो इसे प्रूफ करने का तरीका, पहले मैं RHS पार्ट यानी कि राइट हैंड साइड का जो पार्ट है इसको ले लेता हूं यहां पर. RHS इज इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ a टू b f of a plus b minus x, a plus b minus x dx. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ RHS. ಮೊದಲು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ RHS ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆದುಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. a plus b f of a b इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ a टू b f of a plus b minus x dx. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮೊದಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. पहले क्या है RHS को लिख लेते हैं. आफ्टर राइटिंग द RHS सब्स्टिट्यूशन वी हैव टू टेक द व्हाट सब्स्टिट्यूशन तಗೋತೀವಿ. सब्स्टिट्यूशन लेते हैं यहाँ पर a plus b minus x. पुट a plus b minus x is equal to t. Substitution is what? A plus b minus x is equal to t. Now after that we have to differentiate with respect to t. डिफरेंशिएटिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टी आफ्टर टेकिंग द सब्स्टिट्यूशन लेने के बाद में हमें इसे डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टी. सब्स्टिट्यूशन ತಗೊಂಡ ನಂತರ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ವಿತ್ ರಿಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು टी. ಇಲ್ಲಿ डेरिवेटिव ऑफ a इज व्हाट कांस्टेंट हियर. a इसलिए कांस्टेंट, a क्या है यहाँ पर? कांस्टेंट है. कांस्टेंट का डेरिवेटिव 0. b डेरिवेटिव ऑफ b इज आल्सो कांस्टेंट, इट्स अ डेरिवेटिव 0. लीव दीस टू. द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ a 0, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ b 0. नाउ माइनस साइन एज इट इज. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x विद respect to t is what? dx by dt. dx by dt now is equal to derivative of t with respect to t is what? 1. Now solve for dx. Now dx is equal to, it will become what? Minus dt. dx is equal to what? Minus dt. Again I am writing this one. a plus b minus x is equal to t. Now I am going to change the limit. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ವೆನ್ x इज इक्वल टू a, लोअर लिमिट क्या है यहाँ पर? x इज इक्वल टू a है. व्हेन x इज इक्वल टू b, व्हेन x इज इक्वल टू b, व्हेन x इज इक्वल टू a ಇದ್ದಾಗರೆ put the value of a here in the x. minus a plus a cancel. The value of t will become what? b. t is equal to b. ನೀವು x ದ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ a ಬರೆದರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ a ಮೈನಸ್ a ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. t ಯ ಬೆಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ b ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. when x is equal to b plus b minus b cancel, t is equal to what? a. then it will become t is equal to b, t is equal to a. Now ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ come to the what RHS part. So first I am writing the integral sign as it is. Yes, I am writing the integral sign as it is. पहले integral sign लिखता हूँ मैं. यहाँ पर a को जब मैंने substitute किया ना, ಇಲ್ಲಿ a substitute ಮಾಡಿದೆ, limit change ಮಾಡಿದೆ, x is equal to a, then t will be what, b. Instead of a I am writing b here. Now instead of b I am writing a here. One change is as per according to the what, substitution. Yes, now f as it is here, a plus b minus x is what, t. A plus b minus x is what, t. In the place of a plus b minus x we are taking the substitution, that is t. Now dx means what here, dx means what, minus dt. Dx is equal to what, minus dt. Dx is equal to what, minus dt. Now I am taking this minus sign outside of the integral. This minus sign I am writing outside of the what, integral. ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಚಿಹ್ನೆ ಏನತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ನಾವು ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ b to a. Now f of t dt. Now इवाग ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we are applying the change of limit property. इस स्टेप में आकर हम क्या करते हैं, चेंज ऑफ लिमिट प्रॉपर्टी अप्लाई करते हैं. चेंज ऑफ लिमिट प्रॉपर्टी क्या बोलती है, अगर लिमिट को इंटरचेंज करे लोअर टू अपर और अपर टू लोअर, देन द साइन ऑफ द इंटीग्रल विल बी चेंज. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾವು ಲಿಮಿಟನ್ನು ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲೋವರ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಆರ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಟು ಲೋವರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸೈನ್ ಏನಾಗತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ. ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ a will a change to b, b change to a. Interchange the limits, then this minus sign and one more minus sign, it will be what, plus, then f of t dt. Because I am writing here integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to minus b to a f of x dx. This concept we are applying here. Then change of limit property we are applying to this step. If we are interchanging what, b to a, it will become what, a to b, then one minus is there, then another minus, minus into minus, it will be what, plus. Yes. Next, after that, change of variable property, that is first property. Change the variable. If you change the variable x to t and dt to what, dx, then there will be no change in the integral. First property says change of variable. According to this property, e property prakara, we are changing x to t and dx to dt. Yes, after changing this, this will become what, integration of a to b f of x and dt will become what, dx, that is equal to what, LHS. So this is the proof of the property. It is very simple and easy property is there. Only thing is that we have to remember the substitution. Put a plus b minus x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to t. Then derivative of a0, derivative of b0, derivative of x with respect to t is what, minus dx by dt is equal to derivative of t with respect to t is what, 1. Now solve for dx. Dx is equal to what, minus dt. Again I am writing a plus b minus x is equal to t. When x is equal to a, the value of t will be what, b. When x is equal to b, the value of t will be what, a. Now coming to the what, RHS part. Now a changed to what, b here, then b changed to what, a here. F of a plus b minus x is what, t, dx is what, minus dt. Now take the minus sign outside, b to a f of t dt. Now applying the change of limit property, integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to what, minus b to a f of x dx. Now I am interchanging the property here, b to a, b will become what, a will become what, b, this will become what, another minus sign. Already minus sign is here, minus into minus, plus. Now last step, we are changing t to x and dt to what, dx, that is change of variable property, that is equal to what, LHS. Hence the proof of the property. So last step you have to write, therefore I am going to write here, in the last I am writing, therefore integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to integration of a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Hence the proof of the ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ, ಈ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾವೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿ ವಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. So the first problem is what here, integration of dx divided by 1 plus root tan x, that is I is equal to ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಮೊದಲು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, I is equal to take the given integral or question as a I here. ಎಸ್, ಇದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 3 ಸರ್ತಿ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರೋಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ, ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಳಿದಂಥ ಇದೇ ಒಂದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಜಾಪುರ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿ एग्जामನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆನೂ ಕೂಡ. बीजापुर में भी पूछा गया हुआ ये क्वेश्चन, इसके प्रिपरेटरी एग्जाम में भी पूछा है, और 3 बार जो है एनुअल एग्जाम में यही प्रॉब्लम और यही प्रॉपर्टी पूछा गया है. तो यहाँ पर हम फर्स्ट क्या करते हैं, I इज इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 5/6 to 5/3 डिवाइडेड बाय dx डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस ये रूट tan x जो है इसको हम ऐसा लिखते हैं, रूट tan x कैन रूट sin x डिवाइडेड बाय रूट cos x. tan x can be written root sin x divided by root cos. Root sin by root cos means what? Root tan x. So in the next step, that is I is equal to integration of 5/6 to 5/3. Now root cos x into 1, root cos x LCM. We are taking a what here, LCM. Integration of 5/6 to 5/3. Root cos x into 1 is what? Root cos x plus root sin x. Root sin x and LCM. This LCM comes to the what? Numerator. Root cos x into what? dx. See here once again, root cos x into 1, root cos x plus root sin x, and root sin cos x LCM. LCM is what here? LCM goes to the what? Numerator. Root cos x into dx is what? Root cos x dx. This is equation 1. Equation 1. Now we know the property. So what is the property? We know that here. So write the property after the equation 1. We know that integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to integration of a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. A plus b minus x dx, integration of a to b. Now we are applying this property. ये property को हम यहाँ पर apply कर रहे हैं. किस तरह से apply, how to apply this property? See here, look it on the screen. So what is a here? 5/6. What is b here? A means what? 5/6. This is what? B, 5/3. So what will happen here? A plus b minus x. Here x 1 time, 2, 3. 3 times we are applying this one here. So now I am going to write the next step here. Integration of I is equal to 5/6 to 5/3 root of cos. Now a plus b minus x. A plus b minus x means a means what? 5/6. B means what? 5/3. That is 5/6 plus 5/3 minus x divided by root of cos 5/6 plus 5/3 minus x plus again here 5/a plus b minus x, again here also a plus b minus x, root of sin 5/6 plus 5/3 minus x dx. Yes, now I is equal to integration of 5/6 to 5/3 square root of 5/6 plus 5/3. See here I am solving this one here. 5/6 plus 5/3. 5/6 plus 5/3. The LCM of 6 and 3 is what? 6. Then 6 1s are 6, 3 2s are 6. 1 into 5 5, 2 into 5 2 5. 2 5 plus 5 is what? 3 5. 3 1s are 3 2s are, that is equal to what? 5/2. After simplifying this one, 5/6 plus 5/3, this step 5/6 plus 5/3, 5/6 plus 5/3, it will become what? 90, that is pi/2. cos 90 minus x divided by root of cos 90 minus x plus root of sin 90 minus x. dx. Now applying the complementary angles of trigonometry function, cos 90 minus x is what? Sin x. Cos 90 minus x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin x. Cos 90 minus x will become what? Sin x. Sin 90 minus x will become what? Cos x. Now next step, I is equal to 5 by 6 to 5 by 3. Cos change to cos 90 minus x is what? Sin x divided by root of sin x plus root of cos x dx. Call this as equation 2. This is equation 1 and equation 2. Now in the next step, adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2. So here adding equation 1 and 2 here. So equation 2 is what? I in the left hand side, and equation in the equation 1 is also I. I plus I will become what? 2I. That is what? 2I is equal to, now integration is common, that is 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 and dx. See here, once again, I plus I. See here, this I and this I, equation 1 and equation 2. We have to add left hand part to the what? Left hand part, right hand part to the what? Right hand part. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಐ ಐತಿ equation 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಮತ್ತು equation 2 ನಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಐ ಐತಿ. I plus I ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2I ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. and integration ಎರಡೂ equation ನಲ್ಲಿ, यानी कि दोनों equation में integration 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 है, 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 है, that is common. And in the denominator of equation 1, that is root cos x plus root sin x, here also root sin x plus root cos x. So denominator is same here, denominator is what here? Same. So keep the denominator as it is, only we have to add a root cos x plus root sin x. So that will become what? Root cos x plus root sin x. Denominator is same already, both the equation, root cos x plus root sin x. So this is after adding equation 1 and 2. So in the next step, so this and this get cancelled, then 2I is equal to integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3. 1 will become 1 into dx is what? Dx. Then 2I is equal to integration of 1 into dx is what? X, between the limit 5 by 6 to what? 5 by 3. Yes, then 2I is equal to, by the fundamental theorem of integral calculus, fundamental theorem of integral calculus according, so first we have to substitute the upper limit, that is 5 by 3, then lower limit. Before submitting the lower limit, first we have to write the minus sign, then upper limit is what here? 5 by 3. Then while substituting the lower limit, keep the minus sign, that is minus 5 by 6. Then next here I am going to write in this part, that is 2I is equal to, so what is the LCM here? Again 6 is the LCM. LCM of 3 and 6 is what? 6. Now 3 2s are 3 into 2, then 6 1s are 2 into 5 2 5, and 1 into 5 is what? 5. 2 pi minus 5. And then 2I is equal to what? 5 by 6. Then I is equal to 5 as it is, 2 6 are 12. 5 is I is equal to, therefore now integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 dx divided by 1 plus root tan x is equal to what? 5 by 12. In this way we have to solve the problem. So you will get the what? Exact 6 out of 6 for both property and including problem. So if you have any doubt, just please give in the what? Comment. Leave the comment in the comment box of this video. So pause the video and note it down. So moving to the what? Next problem, that is integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 dx divided by 1 plus root cot x. So again it is also same type of the problem, that is I is equal to, so we are writing this one, I is equal to 5 by 6 to 5 by 3, that is dx divided by 1 plus root cot x. This root cot x is what? Root cos x divided by root sin x. Root cos x divided by root sin x. Now again we have to take the LCM, that is 5 by 6 to 5 by 3, and root sin x into 1 is what? Root sin x. LCM and cross multiply root sin x, and this root sin x comes here in the numerator, that is root sin x and root sin x plus root cos x into dx. Call this as equation 1. After equation 1, we know that the property, we know that integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to integration of a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. So applying this property for step number 1, what is a here? 5 by 6. What is b here? 5 by 3, as we did in the previous problem. ಹಿಂದಿನ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅದೇ ತರ 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x. पिछले problem में जो किए थे a plus b means what? 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x. Here x change to 5 by 6. Here also x change. Here also x change. Now I is equal to integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3, then root of sine 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x divided by root of sine 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x plus root cos 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x dx. So after applying the property, then x in the place of x it will become what? A plus b. Here a plus b minus x means here what is a? 5 by 6. What is b? 5 by 3. Then x change to what? 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x. 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x. 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x. Then this will become sin 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x. 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x. 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x. Then I is equal to, as we did in the previous problem, that's 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 is nothing but sin 90 minus x. It will become what? 90 minus x under root, then square root of sin 90 minus x plus square root of cos 90 minus x dx. Then I is equal to applying the complementary angles of trigonometric function. This one sin 90 minus x, sin 90 minus x, cos 90 minus x. Now this 5 by 6 to 5 by 3, sin 90 minus x is what? Cos x divided by cos x plus root sin x dx. Equation 2. Equation 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2, we get adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. In the equation 1, what is here? Left side I. Here also what? I. Add left side part to the what? Left side, that is I plus I will be what? 2i. That is equal to what? 2i. Now integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 is common for both the equation. Now root sin x, denominators of the equation. See here, the denominator root cos x plus root sin x. Here also what? Root sin x plus root cos x. Both are same. If the denominator is same, keep the denominator as it is, only add the numerator, that is root sin x plus root cos x. Denominator is what? Root sin x plus root cos x dx. Adding, after adding the numerator, denominator is same in the both the equation, so it will become what? Root sin x plus root cos x, get cancel. Then 2i is equal to integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 1 into dx 1 into dx is what? Dx. Integration of dx is what? X between the limit 5 by 6 to what? 5 by 3 by the fundamental theorem of integral calculus, that is 2i is equal to, first substitute the upper limit, that is 5 by 3. Then before substituting the lower limit, first write the minus sign, that is 5 by 6. Then 2i is equal to what? Here 6 is the LCM. I am going to write the next part here, that is 2i is equal to, LCM is what? 6 here. Then 3 2s are 2 into 5, 2 5. This is 6 1s are 6. Then 1 into 5 will be what? 5. 2 pi minus 5 is what? Pi. And 2i is equal to 5 by 6. Then I is equal to what? 2 6 are 12. That is 5 by 12. Then what is actually I? From starting question is what? Integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3, 1 divided by, or dx divided by 1 plus root cot x is equal to what? 5 by 12 is the final answer. So these are very simple problems are there. So only thing is that we have to use the property correctly and solve the terms by using complementary angles. Then LCM and simplification is there. In this way you have to solve the problems. These are very important two problems, and the property is also very important for the point of your annual exam, that is PU board exam. So it will be it will carry the what? 6 marks in the part. This will be asked in the party in the question number 46. So please like, share and subscribe my channel, those who are still not like and share my channel. So keep on watching our channel. Thank you so much for watching my channel.